today I'm going to tell you how to multiply and divide exponents, and this is part of the math tutorials. So let's get started. So now let's see what are exponents. So exponents are repeated multiplication. So as you can see, 5 to the power of 3 is 5 times 5 times 5. So to multiply an exponent with the same base, you need to add the exponents. So as you can see, 5 to the second power plus 5 to the third power equals 5 to the fifth power, because 2 plus 3 equals 5. We're going to do some examples right now. So as you can see, the first example is 4 to the second plus 4 to the fifth. So first we're going to add the exponents, which actually equals 4 to the seventh. And now, since this is simplified, we need to actually reduce the exponent to its number. So now the answer is 16,384. And now we have to move on to the second problem, which is 7 times 7. Since there are no exponents, there is automatically a 1. So now we have to literally add 1 plus 1, which equals 2. And that equals 7 to the second, which then we have to simplify it, which will equal 49. And in the next question there are 3 exponents, so we're going to need to add all of the exponents together in one single line. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So the exponent so far is 6 to the 8, and now we'll simplify it. So now our simplified and final answer is 1,679,616. The power of power property is when there's an exponent on the inside with parentheses, on the outside is a separate power. So when that happens, you need to multiply the exponent and then the power. So in this example, you can see it says 7 to the 4 to the 8 to the second inside the parentheses, with the power to the 5 on the outside. So it will be 7 to the power of 28 and 8 to the power of 10. So now we're going to solve this set of problems. So in the first one, you can see it says 6 and 8 to the power of 5 in the parentheses, with a 3 on the outside. So let's start simplifying. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, so it's 6 to the power of 3. And now we have to multiply 5 times 3, which is 15. And now we'll have to simplify 6 to the power of 3. So now our final answer is 216 and 8 to the 15th power. So now let's move to the next problem. So before we start the powers, we can start combining them. So a to the 10th now. So now we can start using the power of power properly. So it'd be a to the 24th power, a to the 80th power, and b to the 16th power. So now we're going to simplify a to the 24th power, which is obviously a huge number. And if you don't know how to think or scientific notation, watch my other video. To divide exponents, we subtract the exponents. So as you can see in the example, it says 7 to the 8th power divided by 7 to the 5th. So we subtract 8 minus 8, which is 3. So the answer is 7 to the 3rd. So now let's move on to our examples. So in the first question, you can see it is 6 to the 5th power over the 6 to the 2nd power. So now we need to subtract them. So it's so 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 6 to the 3rd, but it needs to be simplified. So now we simplify 6 to the 3rd, which is 216. So now let's move on to this problem. So first, since there's no exponents, we just solve the plain numbers, which is 6 divided by 2. So now let's divide the d variable. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So far it's 2d to the 7th. So now let's divide the g variable. So now you can see it's g to the 16th over g to the 9th. So it's g to the 7th. So the answer is 2d to the 7th and g to the 7th. If there's multiplication in the problem, you need to do that first before you do anything else in the problem, including dividing. For negative flip it or put a reciprocal number. So in this case 2 to the negative second power is 1 over 2 to the second power. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe and also like this video. Also see you in another video. Goodbye.